Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to set macOS 27 dynamic wallpaper on Mac. So macOS 27 comes with the latest dynamic wallpapers that can automatically change their appearance throughout the day, and if you want to provide your Mac a fresh look, then you can easily set these wallpaper. Just right click on your Mac and then click on change wallpaper option. Within the settings app, you can also go through the left side panel and click on wallpaper option to access this page. Now you will see a dynamic wallpaper section. So just click on show all right to it to access all the wallpaper. You can select any of them and set as your dynamic wallpaper. Then if you want to set the latest macOS 27 dynamic wallpaper, then select the first one, Golden Gate. Once the download will be completed, you can access within the lock screen. And if you want to change the wallpaper's appearance automatically, then you can click on this drop down menu and set it to automatic. Now the wallpaper can automatically change their appearance throughout the day. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.